everybody, it's Carrie with Seed to Spoon. I've gotten a few requests about companion plants for peppers. So today I am going to talk about the top 5 plants for peppers. So there are quite a few different plants that you can plant with peppers, and they are very mutual benefiting. They help each other out a lot, but I'm going to focus on the top 5 today. If you want to check out the full list, check out our free app from Seed to Spoon under peppers. So we have different type of peppers. We have banana peppers, bell peppers, hot peppers, and sweet peppers. We have all of those, and we have them grouped together that way. So if you go in there and you go under friends, it'll pull up the different companions. So it'll show all of the different friends and also the enemies too. So check that out if you haven't already. And on to our list. Number 1, the first one that I want to mention is basil. Basil, of course, is absolutely an amazing companion plant. It's one of my personal favorites. Basil has been known to improve the flavor of the plants next to it, as well as ward off certain pests. So it's good at preventing things like aphids, thrips, spider mites, various flies, and even mosquitoes too. So if you're having any of those issues, try planting some basil next to your peppers. Next, I kind of want to group together a few of them. So I have chives, onions, and garlic. So these are all very similar. They are all very, very smelly. They are very strong smelling. So they are really good at repelling a lot of different pests. These are known to help with things like flies, aphids, and even potato beetles and things like that. Garlic and chives also help to reduce risk for things like fungal issues and mold issues, things like that. And as a bonus, I feel like chives are just an incredible companion plant by themselves. I love them. But they are also really good at improving the flavor of pretty much anything that you plant next to them. So having chives next to your pepper plants will really help to improve the flavor of your peppers. The next group I want to mention are root crops. And I know I already mentioned in the previous one with onions and garlic, but in this one I want to call out specifically radish. Radish themselves can help to repel various pests as well, things like flea beetles, and they can also do really good things such as breaking up the soil around the base of your pepper plants, which really makes it so that way the moisture can help get in, so that way your pepper plants can get more moisture, get watered better. It's a very, very helpful relationship that they have. I also want to call out cilantro in this video too, because even though cilantro can be a cool season crop, it is an amazing companion for your pepper plants. So whenever you first plant out your peppers as babies, try having some cilantro around it. And the same goes for the fall. Whenever you are having your fall pepper plants, and if you're still battling pests, try planting some cilantro around it. See if you can get some cilantro going, because they can really help to repel various pests, especially things like in the beetle family. It's so strong smelling too. It really helps to distract the bugs and the scents, and they don't know what's going on. So cilantro is one that's really good to have around. And no companion plant list would be complete, I feel like, without including marigolds and nasturtiums, because they are, of course, fantastic flowers that you can add to the garden that are actually edible also, which is amazing. So you have a bonus there. So nasturtiums and marigolds both work to really help fight pests, and they work in various ways. Nasturtiums can actually work to attract some of the pests, so things like spider mites, things like that, which may sound counterproductive, but it actually works great, because if you have that issue, they're going to go to this flower instead of your pepper plant. So it may sound counterproductive to have a nasturtium next to your pepper plant, but they do a great job of attracting those pests to them and keeping them off of your pepper plant, which is ultimately what you want. So they do a great job of that. So next time when you guys are out in the garden and looking to plant out some of your pepper plants, make sure to reference this video and pull up the app too, because we have that long list of the various companion plants, things that are really good to plant next to your pepper plants. I hope this video helps, and please let me know if you have any questions at all, and I will get back with you. Thank you so much for watching, everybody, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye.